used to be so beautiful, now look at me. My actions aren't beautiful, it's clear to see.
I wanna high because I want a little freedom, but I can't.
Hello, good morning. Is everybody there? Are all my children there? Okay, look for a quiet place and let's start the assembly. Are you ready? Come on. Wiggle your fingers in the air. Wiggle them everywhere. Stomp your feet upon the ground. Stomp them all around. Now sit down and cross your legs. Hands all up, nice and neat. Now it's time to start our day. First we will listen and then we'll play. Good morning, I like to see you smile. Good morning to you and you and you and you. Good morning, I like to see you smile. Good morning to you. Okay. What season is it? Winter, spring, summer, fall. There are seasons four in all. Look outside and you will see it is spring. Yes, it is. And what month is it? Is it I love you, January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August to September, October, November, December? Honey baby, I love you. Yes, it's April. Happy birthday, Emma. And what day is today? Is it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday? It's Wednesday. Yes, every Wednesday we will do the assembly. How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather today? It is sunny. It is rainy. It is windy. It is cloudy. How is the weather today? Yes, today is cloudy. In the morning, it's a little bit chilly. It's cold. In the afternoon, it's a little bit warmer. Now, number battle. Are you ready? I said 1, you said 2. I said 3, you said 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 13, 30. And do you remember the sounds? What sound is this? What sound is this? What sound is this? Umbrellas. Well done. You remember them. Now, very quickly, come on. Let's revise all the sounds that we have here. A, t, e, p, s, k, o. On off the light. B, 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 d, d. For umbrella. A for A. G, g, g. Jolly. Jolly. Well done. Okay, I love you. See you next day. Take care. It's spring, so we are going to learn a song about spring. What happens in spring? That the bees are coming out. A bee like a little baby bumblebee. Okay, listen to the sound and then catch the bee in your hands. Zzz. The bee is buzzing. Zzz. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! It stung me. I'm squeezing up the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squeezing up the baby bumblebee. Ugh, it's Jackie. I'm wiping off the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm wiping off the baby bumblebee. Look, Mom, my hands are clean. It's a little bit funny. Okay, can you try? Come on, sing along with me. Watch the video again.